This is the BLAVOR DS-S1600 portable power station. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. It arrived safely, and inside the package you're going to get the BLAVOR S1600 power station itself with its cool foldable 40-watt solar panel that flips out like a little mini sun catcher. You're going to get a 3-prong plug wall charger, and we've got about 4 foot of cable on each side of this, so plenty of room to get it charged up. A DC power cord, a car adapter cable for on-the-road charging, an easy-to-read user manual. It's got all kinds of different things in here that tell you how many charges you can get for certain devices. You're going to get 10 handy adapter heads so you can plug it into just about anything, and a nice little carrying case to store everything in. So there's no extras needed. It's ready to roll right out of the gate. It's made from an ABS material. It's about 17 inches long, 13 inches tall, and about 5.5 inches wide, and it weighs in at a pretty hefty 26 pounds. It has a nice comfy handle on top here, and we've got a kickstand on the back so you can get it into position to charge it out in the sun if that's what you want to do. You can recharge it via the wall outlet, which is going to be the fastest way to charge it in only a few hours. You can use the 12-volt car charging option, or you can use the 40-watt solar panel, which is obviously sun dependent. It's going to take 20 to 30 hours for a full charge using that method, but it's cool that the option's there that you can do that. You can also plug in extra solar panels to help charge it faster. And you can also charge it via the Type-C port that doubles as an extra output right here. Right now it's very cold where I'm at. There's very little sunlight. I was charging it through the panel and also plugging an extra panel, and I was only pulling 7 to 9 watts just because there's no sun right now. Still cool to have the option. Trying to get my microphone down here. You can hear it running. It's relatively quiet. I think it's pretty quiet. It has an LiFe PO4 battery in it that they say will last 3,500 plus charges, holding 80% capacity. It has a 1,024 watt-hour battery in it. Think of watt hours like a gas tank. It basically holds enough juice to run a 100-watt fan for, say, 10 hours straight or so. It pumps out a steady 1,600 watts with a quick 3,200-watt burst for startup surges. And it uses pure sine wave power that's gentle on your gadgets and devices. It's got 8 outlets on the front to charge multiple devices at once, like your phone, your laptop, your mini fridge, at the same time if you wish to do that. You can see it's got a decent LCD display on here. My phone's going to make it look a little wavy, but it's really easy to read. We've got a USB Type-C input and output here. We've got 2 5-volt USB-A outputs. We've got 2 DC 5525 outputs here. We've obviously got the carport output, 220-volt AC outputs, and 2 AC 120-volt outputs. You know, it's easy to use. If you want to use the DC section, you just press the DC button and it turns that output on. If you want to use the AC, you press the AC section and it turns that output on. Easy enough. Obviously, real life isn't perfect. You should probably factor in 10 to 15% of loss for heat or inverter efficiency. Just something to consider. That built-in 40-watt panel can help you keep it topped up if you're using it out in the sunlight. And like I said before, it's relatively quiet when it runs. So there you go, quiet, eco-friendly, 1,024 watt-hour portable power station with plenty of charging options. I love the solar charging via the built-in panel to help top it up. Portable power station like this would be great for everyday items from laptops to phones, chargers, small fans. It's great for camping. You know, maybe you're running a projector and a casting device out there, coffee machine, little air fryer, a mini fridge, off-grid stuff like drones or a day in the park. You can use this to charge batteries on a job site if you wanted to. And obviously great as an emergency battery backup if you lose power. All kinds of uses. Very nice.